So here's how to fix MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on Windows 11. So first what you want to do is right click on the Windows logo, click run, and in here you want to type regedit, press enter, then confirm, and it should bring you to the registry editor. In here we want to navigate to H key current user, and then we want to expand software, and then we want to expand Microsoft, which is right here. Now expand it, and then Windows folder. I want to look for Windows folder, then expand the Windows folder, expand current version, and in here we want to look for a folder called Game DVR inside the Microsoft current version folder. So this one right here, you can only click on the folder, no need to expand it. And in here, you want to come to the first entry, which is App Capture Enabled. And then you want to simply double click on it and change the value from 1 to 0. Now press OK. Now, if you don't have it or you don't see this App Capture Enabled file, what you can do is simply right click on the empty space here, click New, and then click the word 32. And then name it the same, App Capture Enabled with capital cases at the beginning of each word. And then double click on it, set the value base to hexadecimal and the value to 0. Now press OK. And then you will simply need to close the registry editor and then reboot your computer, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.